And in that realm, there are spiritual beings who actively work to influence governments and cultures and religions. They drive the trajectory of human existence. They build systems meant to oppress. They are not looking for human flourishing. They are looking to enslave God's people. They prey upon our weaknesses. They prey upon our temptations. They prey upon our failures. They prey upon our greed. They prey upon our pride. They prey upon our comforts in order to keep us bound. Because as long as we are bound to darkness, the kingdom of God will never flourish. Eden will never become a reality. Humanity will never become all that God created them to be. And ultimately, God's vision for the world will not come to fruition. And God himself will be rejected.